Hey everybody, and welcome to HookTok. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 ways to connect your Instagram account with HookTok. So we first navigate on the left bar to Instagram. Now we just click on Connect Instagram. Now you can see we'll directly be redirected to Instagram. We have already selected HookTok here in this case. We'll be connecting our HookTok Instagram account with our HookTok website. Now let me show you this. This is loading a second. Now, here you need to give permission to access and publish content because in the end, we or you want to be able to post through HookTok onto Instagram. Otherwise, you will not be able to do that. So grant the permissions. All right. Now it's connecting. Now it's loading all the content pieces as well as here on the top, the rest, the followers, etc. Alrighty. Now you can just go on either directly post through here or create content with AI, with the help of AI, create your reels, etc. That's the fast way. The other way, you can go on settings, socials, and then, we have already HookTok connected. If you want to disconnect it, you can just disconnect it here by clicking on the trash can, and then you can just, again, reconnect it the same way. Add Instagram account. Now we will be redirected to Instagram. You can then, in this case, because we already have HookTok here, verify, and that's pretty much it. Now we're reconnecting again, same process, because we already had it before connected. We just have to allow it again. And that's it, guys. That is a quick tutorial how you can connect your Instagram account with HookTok.